Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Lucky from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my welcome tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the top of his head, right there. At the ending point at the side, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, semicircle turn at the base, right there, and a curved line across for the lower part of his face. And I'm going to copy the same shape of the head on the right side here as well. For his ear, I'm going to extend this line at the side with a diagonal curved line out, semicircle turn at the tip, back inwards on the right side. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side of the ear as well. Now for the bandage on his eye, I'm gonna draw across a diagonal curved line from the left ear all the way to the right ear right there, and another similar line at this upper point. And below that, I'm gonna draw another diagonal line downwards right there, and a similar line at his upper point. In the middle point above his head, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and at the side of that, another one and another one. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right there. Now across his face at this middle point, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there, and below that on the left side, a diagonal line right there, curved line across to the right, and another similar one at this lower point, and another one below that. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape on the right side right here, and I'm gonna fill in the space around his eye and his ear with black color. Now below the head, in the middle point, I'm gonna draw a V shape right there, and I'm gonna extend the right side downwards and turn it downwards in the middle point right there. And for the collar, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at the side, turn it upwards, and at the right side of that, a diagonal line downwards and to the right, and turn it upwards. Mirror the same shape again on the left side right there, and at the side of that, I'm gonna draw his shoulder with a line out, turn it diagonally downwards at the side to the sleeve, flare it out with a diagonal line at the sleeve and a curved line across. Mirror the same shape again on the inner line of the arms right there, and a curved line across above the sleeve. Below the sleeve, I'm gonna draw his hand with a diagonal line out, semicircle turn across, and turn it back upwards. At the side of his shirt, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards right there, flare it out at the side with a diagonal line out, and a curved line across all the way to the right side for the bottom point of his shirt. Now I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side right there. At the side of his shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and turn it out at this lower point. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. For the pockets at the side, I'm gonna draw a line across, turn it downwards at the sides, and a curved line across at this lower point. Inside of the pocket, at this upper point, I'm gonna draw a line across. Copy the same shape again on the right side right here, and along the middle point, I'm gonna draw his buttons with circular shape on the right side right there, and another one, and another one, and another one at that point. Below the button, I'm going to draw across a curved line from the left to the right side. Now below his shirt at the side, I'm going to draw a curved line down, a line downwards for the legs, curved line across at the bottom, turn it back upwards in the middle point, a line across, and mirror the same shape of the legs on the right side right there. For the bandage, I'm going to draw some curved line across along the lower half of his body right there, along the legs, and on the right side there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.